Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to present my analysis on WTI crude oil futures for the week of October 28, 2018. First, let us have a look at the movement of WTI crude oil futures in a daily chart where I have marked some support and resistance levels. Here you can see that currently the WTI crude oil futures, after taking a good support at the level of $66, have moved upward. Despite the announcement of bearish inventory, WTI crude oil futures are still maintaining at their current level, and I find that their sustainable movement is evident enough for their upward move during the upcoming week, where they will find their first resistance at the level of $71.28. Once they sustain above the level of $71.28, they will find their next move, and the targets of WTI crude oil futures will be up to the level of $76. Let us have a look at the movement of WTI crude oil futures in a 4-hour chart. Here in this chart, I have defined their expected move in a decisive zone, which will define their further moves during the upcoming week. And I find that since they have taken good consolidation at these levels after taking continuous support at the level of $66, WTI crude oil futures look ready to move upward since they have sustaining at their first support level. And here you can see that 20 days exponential moving average has come above the 20 days moving average, and 50 days exponential moving average is going to cross in effort to come over 50 days moving average, which indicate that we are going to see a breakout in WTI crude oil futures during the upcoming week. And I find that this decisive zone will play a very crucial role in defining the moves of WTI crude oil futures during the upcoming week. Whenever the WTI crude oil futures will move above this decisive zone, we will see sharp selling on up moves. But on the other side, whenever the natural gas futures will see a downward move, we will find good buying from the level at the lower uptrend line. At this level, we will find good buying opportunities in WTI crude oil futures. No doubt that volatility will be on the higher scale in WTI crude oil futures, but overall trend is likely to remain bullish due to the growing demand for WTI crude oil, as we are watching a lot of geopolitical moves to keep the Iran production in control. As from November 4th, we will see some new sanctions over Iran from the United States, which will affect the supply side of WTI crude oil, which will further result in a sharp upward move in WTI crude oil prices. So friends, be ready for an action in WTI crude oil futures during the upcoming week. Now let us have a look at the movement of WTI crude oil futures in 1-hour chart. Here you can see that all the moving averages are indicating a sharp upward move. Even I will say that we will see a gap up opening at the level of $69.50, where we will find a good support at the 200 days moving average. So friends, be ready for an action in WTI crude oil futures. If we find some selling at the levels of 200 days moving average, we will see a sharp downward move, but we will find WTI crude oil futures to take good support at support 1. If WTI crude oil futures find more downward move, we will see them to get strong support at this level, which I have marked as support 2nd. From this level, WTI crude oil futures will witness a good opportunity for going long because of thick presence of WTI crude oil bulls at the level of $66. So friends, be ready for an action in WTI crude oil futures during the upcoming week. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.